Okay, we're recording again. This is good. This is Brian again. Still walking. Anyways, what happened was, I had read on the internet how to fix my 1999 Chrysler 300M. It had problems starting and continuing to run. It would just stop on the side of the freeway for no apparent reason, and then about 5 minutes later start up again. So I read everything there was to read in the Chilton's manual and online from all the suggestions, and read about all the two sensors, the crankshaft position sensor and the camshaft position sensor, that were the two primary sources of trouble from what people said. So I replaced those and took off and going up to my neighborhood, Fred Meyer, about 2-3 miles away. Just about got there, and guess what happened? Yes, the car stopped again. So all of the grounds have been polished, all the electrical connections are proper. Like I say, this again is a 1999 Chrysler 300M. They're plagued with problems, but I thought I could get by if I knew enough about it. But I haven't quite learned the exact secret. I did not want to buy the engine control module due to the fact that it's worth about as much as a car is at this point in time. So, but that may be next. So tomorrow I'll be up at AutoZone and see what I can see. I don't think there's any more use in doing any more research, calling mechanics and calling the dealership doesn't have very much more use. I've got probably as much experience in rotating mechanical equipment, cars and such as anybody out there. So when I find the problem, I'm going to be very happy because I like the car. But I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna buy about 15-20 of these cars, because I know for a fact that nobody else knows how to fix these things except me and you. So this is going on YouTube, and I hope to have my answer for you tomorrow. Goodbye. Good night.